Namaste and hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an interesting emoji quiz. Okay, so let me quickly tell you more about it. First thing, there will be 10 questions. Okay, second thing, you will get 15 seconds for each question. And the time is up when the background music stops and the bell rings. All clear? Let's begin. Das Oktoberfest. So you can pause the video or you can read this information later on. Der Kindergarten. Die Flädlesuppe oder Pfannkuchensuppe. Der Einkaufswagen. Die Schultasche. Das Klopapier oder Toilettenpapier. Die Eisblume. Das Krankenhaus. Der Farbstift. Das Schwarzgeld. That's all for today. Please share your thoughts and also let us know in the comment section that how many words you got correct, okay? Please be honest. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you're new to the channel. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Namaste und tschüss.